we're going to have a look at lane discipline. Quite simply, the right lane is to be used when you're overtaking someone or turning right, and if you're doing neither, you should drive in the left-hand side. This blue car that we're approaching, it's in the right lane. It's not obviously turning right yet, so I'm not going to pass it. I'm going to hold back and stay behind it. You're not allowed to pass someone on the left-hand side or undertake unless they're turning right, in a queue of traffic or on a one-way street. So I'm just going to hold this side of it. Now the blue van has pulled out in front of us, I need to overtake, I need to use lane 2. And as we're approaching the roundabout, the blue Focus in front of us moves back to the left. So, because we were travelling faster, I'm going to use lane 2 on the roundabout and go past, which is perfectly fine. I'll negotiate the roundabout in lane 2 throughout, but because there's no one further in front of me, when I negotiate the roundabout, I go back to lane 1. Now watch what the blue Focus does. It goes back across to lane 2. Now, if you look up in front, there's no one whatsoever on the road. So this blue Focus is doing the incorrect thing. It shouldn't be driving in lane 2 unless it's overtaking or turning right. It's not catching me up, so it should be behind me in lane 1. To be fair, at the moment, the blue car isn't affecting anyone. Eventually though, it does affect the white van. The white van catches it up and has to undertake it. Now, remember, if you're not overtaking and not turning right, use the left-hand lane. This then stops people getting annoyed with you for blocking the traffic, because that's effectively all it does. It just holds up the flow of the traffic. Remember, you're not allowed to undertake on the left in normal conditions. So all you're doing sitting in that right lane is just blocking the road for everyone else. I'm sure some people still think it as the slow lane and the fast lane. That's not the case. The left lane is for normal driving and the right lane, remember, is for overtaking or turning right. As always, thanks for watching.